Here are 10 Amazon items that are going to make your life so much easier. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below and pinned in that comment section. If you're watching from your TV or iPad, go ahead and scan the QR code on screen now. It will take you to everything in this video. And make sure you stick around until the end of the video to see a game-changing transformation. No joke, I'm not just saying this, like your jaw is going to drop as much as mine did. Nothing is sponsored. Let's do it. Stainless steel, the bane of my existence, yet it looks so beautiful when it's nice and polished. I have tried so many different stainless steel cleaners and I'm loving this Zep one. I cannot say enough good things about it. I use it all the time on my kitchen appliances and it never disappoints. It leaves my stainless steel appliances looking spotless and shiny without any greasy residue. I recently hosted a party for my daughter's dance team and this cleaner was my secret weapon for making sure everything looked as good as new. Whether it's fingerprints, watermarks, or smudges, Zep handles it all, leaving my appliances gleaming like they just came out of the box, for real. And right now, for a limited time, this is currently 48% off, so just about $7. This, in my opinion, is a steal of a deal for everything that you get. Oh my word, with 4 kids, we have so many different toys around our house and I need an easy way to clean fast. I cannot say enough good things about this 20 bin organizer. It has been life-changing for keeping my basement tidy and my kids are actually picking up after themselves now. The removable bins make it so easy for playtime and cleanup, and the sturdy construction gives me peace of mind. Whether it's toys, crafts, or books, this organizer is perfect for keeping everything in its place, and the added safety features are a huge bonus. And in fact, this toy organizer comes in multiple beautiful colors, if you will. I've had this for a couple years now and it has held up with 4 children, so the price is definitely worth it and it looks chic. These stackable storage bins have been a game changer in my pantry organization. I'm planning a pantry makeover in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. These bins are fantastic for keeping everything organized and easily accessible. The open front design lets you quickly grab what you need without having to unstack everything. They're stackable and space saving, which is a huge plus, especially if you're working with limited space. And it makes it easy for kids to access their favorite snacks. A 4-pack of these bins is just about $37. Now, I have also had these for over a year now and I'm absolutely loving them. They have been tried, tested, and true. As you know, I'm passionate about both cleaning and fitness. Along with this cleaning channel, I also run a fitness channel called Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, where I share free home workouts, uploading 3 to 5 videos a week for all fitness levels. So if you're into fitness or just starting out, come join me over there and let's get moving together. Now, let's talk about one of my absolute favorite must-haves, these Premier protein shakes. We always keep them stocked at home because they're a fantastic way to make sure I'm getting enough protein throughout the day, and they're tasty. And as we get older, it's crucial to maintain our muscle and strength, and protein plays a big role in that. Plus, it helps with building and repairing muscle and keeps me feeling full longer. Perfect for avoiding those midday snack cravings. Chocolate is my favorite flavor, but when I saw this limited edition pumpkin spice, I just had to grab it. And let me tell you, it did not disappoint. The shakes are smooth, creamy, and rich in flavor. I've had my fair share of protein shakes that were a chore to get down, but these are seriously enjoyable. Each shake is packed with 30 grams of protein and only 160 calories, making it an ideal midday snack or post-workout recovery drink. The Premier Powder Protein is also perfect for adding to shakes and smoothies, whether you're looking for a quick snack or a meal replacement on the go. Oh, and by the way, these Premier Protein shakes are a #1 bestseller, and they're currently on sale right now for 5% off. So if you've never tried these, I highly recommend it. They are hands down my favorite protein shake. Again, not sponsored, just sharing with you what I love and what works. I've been testing this Amazon Basics thermal laminator for a while now, and let me tell you, it's become a must-have in our home. After hosting a party for my daughter's dance team, I wanted to make sure everyone knew to leave their shoes at the door. But of course, I had to make the sign look a little bit nicer. This laminator made it super easy. It comes with several pouches to get started and can handle various size documents, which is perfect for everything I needed. I've even been using it for my 4-year-old's writing practice. We laminate the sheets with letters and numbers, and a simple dry erase marker turns them into reusable learning tools. If If you're looking for a laminator that's easy to use and versatile, this one is definitely worth considering. Again, I've been using this for several months now, maybe even a year, and I've had no issues whatsoever. And currently on Amazon, for a limited time, it's 15% off, so just about $26 for everything that you get. Love this. My husband is a big fan of making lattes with our espresso machine, and he's been on the lookout for a way to get that perfect froth. The Keurig standalone froth creates a thick, velvety froth that's perfect for cappuccinos, lattes, or even just a fancy cup of coffee. You know I love my homemade mochas with a little bit of a Swiss Miss in them. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick coated interior and removable whisk. It's hand wash only, but it's super easy. He loves that it offers both warm and cold frothing options, so whether he's in the mood for a hot latte or I'm looking for a cold iced coffee, this frother has us covered. Just add milk, choose your option, and in about 3 minutes, you've got barista quality froth at your home. And right now on Amazon, this frother is 30% off. So if you've been looking for something, I would highly suggest grabbing it now. If you love pizza as much as we do, you know the hassle of trying to get that perfect slice without losing all the toppings. This pizza cutter is a game changer. The stable vertical pressure and large cutting wheel make slicing through pizza a breeze. It's also great for quesadillas, pancakes, waffles, my favorite, and even soft veggies. It fits perfectly in your hand, has a blade guard for safe storage, which I love with small kids, and my older two can easily slice their own quesadillas, pizza, or pancakes. Plus, it comes apart easily for cleaning and is dishwasher safe. No more dealing with those tough to clean gadgets. Right now on Amazon, this is 40% off, so just about $11, and it comes in a variety of cute colors. I absolutely love this long handle bottle brush. Cleaning out water bottles used to be a hassle, but this brush makes it so much easier, especially with 4 kids and multiple water bottles. It became, well, quite a chore. It easily reaches the bottom of our water bottles, and the bristles are soft enough to fit through the opening without a struggle. The long, durable neck flexes just right, making it perfect for cleaning inside of bottles, pitchers, and carafes. The stiff blue bristles tackle those hard-to-reach corners, while the white bristles are gentle enough for wine glasses and crystal. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and can be easily stored in a kitchen caddy or hung from a hook. So many deals and savings today. Right now on Amazon at the time of filming, this is 12% off, so just about $6. I used to use an old baby bottle brush to clean, however, it just wasn't long enough to get in those deeper sized water bottles, so this is perfect and it's more durable. I've noticed an increase in flies around our garbage and recycling bins, which eventually ends with them finding their way into my house. Gross, I know. With kids in and out all day, it's bound to happen, but these Taro garbage guards have been such a blessing. They're super easy to use. Just stick them inside of the trash can and the vapor takes care of everything. Not only have they drastically reduced the number of flies, but I haven't seen any other bugs either. Plus, they last up to 4 months. So I'm covered all summer and fall. If you're tired of dealing with bugs in your trash, these are definitely worth a try. And for just about $9, you can be rest assured for up to several months, which is amazing. And the moment you've all been waiting for. If you're dealing with scratches on your stainless steel sink, this professional grade scratch removal kit could be a game changer. It's compact, easy to handle, and its egg-like shape fits comfortably in your hand, making it super convenient to use. It's just a 3-step process: scratch removal, buffing, and polishing. This really simplifies the whole DIY approach, so you don't need any professional tools. The first step was a sandpaper disc to help remove old scratches and add back the original look. Next, we used the orange buffing compound to the yellow disc, and to be honest with you, we didn't need to use the polishing compound. We did, and my husband didn't like the look, so he went back for a second round of the orange buffing compound, and it looks so stinking amazing. If you've ever wanted your stainless steel to look like brand new, this is it, my friend. And I can't even believe it. For the transformation, this was just about $20, and the ease of use, I'm just so happy about. Like, I keep walking past my stainless steel sink every day, and I'm just like, oh, she's so pretty. I can't believe this really worked. And literally, hands down, this is the best stainless steel scratch removal product that I have used. And you know, I've tried my fair share. So Scratch Pro, if you want to sponsor me, I'm all for it. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, especially Instagram stories, and sign up for that free newsletter linked in the description box below. Let's keep the fun going. Click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.